Hi there, this is Paige, who is Stamp Girl here on YouTube, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm sharing with you the project I made for the collab I'm doing with Jill, who's Jill Made Creations here on YouTube. And on the 25th of each month, we share a packaging idea with each other and with all of you that stop by. Excuse my voice, I have allergies and it's causing a dry throat. We find our ideas on Pinterest, on blogs, on websites, on YouTube, wherever we're inspired from. And this month I used this paper pad from DCWV called Tattered Time. It's a really good masculine paper stack. It's from 2011. And it has a lot of muted colors and fun little patterns and designs and objects in it, but you can see that it's would work really well geared toward a lot of masculine cards. So I followed a tutorial from a YouTube video by Stamping with Amore for a shadow box, and this is what I made. So the lid has a recessed opening. Here's another pattern paper, and then here's what I used on the box. And then I had in my stash this metal tricycle, or bicycle, whatever, old-fashioned. And then it also came with this little travel ticket shape that's also metal. And so I put the bike inside the lid and the little ticket on the outside. Now you could use a window sheet here and turn it into a shaker lid if you wanted to, but I chose not to for this one. And then the lid comes off, and here's a good sized box for lots of different things for gifts. I think this is perfect timing for a Father's Day gift, so a new wallet could go in there, or a watch, or a pair of socks, a tie, some fishing lures, whatever. And then the lid has this little piece right here that causes that recessed portion that you can decorate as a shadow box. So that is my project for this month. I will leave a link down below to Jill's channel so you can check out her packaging idea, and I'll also try to find the link to Stamping with Amore for the shadow box tutorial that I found on YouTube. I'd like to thank you for joining me, and now I'm off to create.